Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. During this time of year, I like buying asparagus so I can make many different recipes with them, such as asparagus with Maltese sauce, Mediterranean pasta, asparagus summer salad, pickled asparagus, bacon wrapped asparagus, and this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my cream of asparagus soup. I love this recipe because many soups are served either cold or hot. Very few are good either way. This one is incredible, easy to make, and can be served cold as well as hot. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, let's prep the asparagus. We'll cut off the ends and discard them. Then we'll cut the tips and set them aside for garnish. Now we'll cut the vegetables into 1-inch pieces and that's it, we're done. Next, in a large pot over medium heat, we'll add butter. When it starts sizzling, we'll add onions and sauté for a couple minutes. To this, we'll add pressed garlic and saute it for only 1 minute before adding the asparagus. We'll sprinkle on a little pinch of ground sea salt and season with freshly ground black pepper. We'll cook the ingredients, stirring constantly for 5 minutes. A few minutes later, we'll pour in chicken broth and add a little paprika to it. We'll combine, increase the heat to high, and bring the mixture to a boil. Then we'll cover and simmer for 10 minutes. When time is up, we'll use an immersion blender, and if you don't have one, just use a regular blender, but you'll have to work in batches. And we'll process until nice and smooth. So now we'll add a freshly squeezed lemon juice, stir well, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Last but not least, we'll add half a cup of heavy cream and season some more with black pepper and ground sea salt. We'll give a good stir, making sure everything is well blended. Then we'll taste and adjust if necessary. Now, if you want to serve this soup hot, bring it back to a simmer. Otherwise, transfer it to a bowl, cover, and move it to the fridge until chilled. Either way, we'll drizzle on some heavy cream and place a few asparagus tips on top. Et voila! That looks nice. And my friends, this is our cream of asparagus soup. What a nice way to enjoy this incredible vegetable. If you like asparagus, you'll love this recipe. It's quick and easy to make and so delicious. I hope you give it a try soon and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!